Namaste, everybody. This is Kumari Akanchara. I am here with something which is very important. We are witnessing a hypertension political drama in our country related to a rape case in West Bengal. So, first of all, I would like to dedicate few lines to the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, so called. Why I am saying so? Just hear this line. टूटा हुआ लश्कर का भरम देख रहे हैं और जिल्ले इलाही के करम देख रहे हैं। ताकत का नशा अक्ल पे इस कदर भारी है, तुम वो नहीं देख सकते जो हम देख रहे हैं। इमरान प्रतापगढ़ी की ये लाइन ममता दीदी पे खासा सूट होती है। करंटली ममता दीदी इज प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट हरसेल्फ। व्हाई इज इट सो? Because she is the chief minister of West Bengal, having all the headwardship of entire ministry and cabinet. She is the head of all those ministries. She is having Ministry of Home Affairs, meaning thereby that she is having all the powers, liberty related to law and order system of any state. She is in charge, ministry in charge of health also in West Bengal, meaning thereby that she can take each and every step which doctors are demanding, which health workers are demanding, so that they can end their protest. But she is taking a soft march with candle into her hand, showing a very magnificent hypertension political drama in our country. This is the first time when country is witnessing such kind of political drama with the naked eyes. Next, Didi playing with the emotions of many. She is the ultimate head of any state. She can take each and every step for the curving, for the maintenance of law and order system into the state. But she has failed. I know that you do not want to give any kind of space to BJP, Madam Mamta Didi. But with this cheap politics, kindly avoid it. As we know that the doctors are demanding for their security and safety, to have a full-fledged law which is having authoritative value into the state, but central as well as state government both have denied to provide them. But Didi, you must be knowing that any state's health sanitation dispensary is falling under the state list which is mentioned into the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution, which is providing you power to enact a new bill or act so that the protection of the doctors can be ensured. But you are just taking a U-turn, soft turn to avoid such kind of accountability. Your cabinet is such powerful that it can come with a new bill which is going to provide all kind of assurance which doctors are demanding, the health workers are demanding, but you are playing with the emotions of stakeholders. Next, there will be actual solidarity with all those who are protesting, not taking part into their candle march. Do whatever they want. Do what you can do. And you are the ultimate head of any state. You can do it. So for the last, I would like to say कि गजब के एहसान जताती है हुकूमत, पहले आंखें छीन लेती है हुकूमत, फिर चश्मे देकर एहसान जताती है हुकूमत। मैडम, लाशों पे राजनीति कैसे करनी हो कोई आपसे सीखे। धन्यवाद।